You can decide to do PPC and jump straight in, but that can easily end in confusion and a lack of results. Following every step-by-step guide to PPC across the whole internet would be exhausting and a waste of time. Recommendations will vary based on the business. With that being said, let's outline some methods to get started on the right foot. Cost effective. You decide the spend you want the campaign to have each day. The joy of PPC is that you only pay when your site is clicked through from your ad. This means that you're not wasting spend when people read or view your ads, but aren't interested in your business. Keywords. Keyword selection is key, as 0.16% of the most popular keywords are responsible for 60.67% of all searches. When it comes down to keyword research and selection, there is a lot of best practices and it's not always easy to follow them all. So here's a handful to get you started on the right foot. 1. Consider search volume. Search volume is how often people are searching for your keywords. It's important that you know how popular the keywords you plan on using are and how relevant they are to the campaign. Number 2. Don't just go for low-cost keywords. It sounds easier to look at the cheapest keywords and just choose plenty of them, sacrificing traffic for cost. Wrong. In actual fact, you could end up with more clicks for a lot fewer conversions. Number 3. Negative keywords. Maybe there's an overlap between your business name and a celebrity or a kind of cheese. Whatever it may be, you could add it to a negative keyword list, which is essentially the direct opposite of your target keywords. By adding a negative, you're letting search engines know that you don't want to appear in the search with that specific query in it. Much like your target keywords, you can do a broad phrase or exact keyword negative. Targeting. PPC campaigns aren't just about getting visitors, they're about getting relevant visitors. You can tailor your PPC campaigns to target people who are relevant customers for your maximum effect. You can specify your location and radius where you want your ads to appear and negative out locations where you don't want to appear. PPC and SEO. PPC and SEO complement each other. While your PPC attracts more traffic to your website, your SEO helps your organic rankings. Used together, they can help boost leads and sales simply by populating page 1 of the search engine results pages. Call to action. Be direct. When paying for an ad, you may as well make it worthwhile. Tell any reader what it is you want them to exactly and make it easy. If done right, PPC can greatly benefit businesses of every size, for small businesses especially. Focus on keywords, start small and be direct. To understand more about PPC, download our free guide, Why Hire a PPC Agency, from the link in the description.